Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about an aptly titled God's own country, Kerala. Kerala is one of the most beautiful places in South India. I visited Kerala during Onam festival, which is very famous festival of Kerala. This coastal state is lined up with glorious Arabian sea beaches, enchanting backwaters, aromatic spice plantation on the western Ghat. One of the highlights for the tourists is to witness the celebration of Onam in Kerala. It is a 10 days harvest festival that marks the homecoming of a mythological king Mahabali and is the biggest festival of Kerala. Onam is celebrated at the beginning of the month of Chingam, the first month of traditional Malayalam calendar. That coincides with the month of August or September. So what are you waiting for? Let's visit all these places together.
Thiruvananthapuram, commonly known by its formal name Trivandrum, is the capital of Indian state Kerala. It is located on the west coast of India near the extreme south of mainland. It is referred by Mahatma Gandhi as the evergreen city of India. The most spectacular Onam celebration takes place in Trivandrum. The buildings from Villapalam to east are beautifully illuminated with colorful lights. You will feel like as if you are in a wonderland. The week-long celebration comes to an end with a massive cultural procession from Cowdear Palace to East Fort. It is a major tourist hub in India. Kovalam and Varkala are popular beach town near city. The Padmaswamy temple, located at the heart of the city, is known as the richest place of worship in the world. The ways to reach Thiruvananthapuram is by air, which is 6 kilometers away from the city. By road, that is by several KSRTC buses which operate. By rail, it is about 6 kilometers away from the city center. The best time to visit Trivandrum is from October to March as the weather remains pleasant during this time. Do visit Trivandrum during Onam festival.
Namaskar. The place which I'm going to talk about today is Thrissur, which is also formally called Tichur. It has been ranked as the fourth largest city in Kerala and it has also been called as the cultural capital of Kerala. One of the festivals that has been celebrated up to a great extent is called Thrissur Puram. There are various ways in which you can reach Thrissur. By airways, you might land in the Cochin airport, which is about 58 kilometers away from Thrissur. Thrissur has its own railway station as well as the roadways are very well developed for road camping or trekking. Now don't get upset as there are various tourist attractions in Thrissur. Most of these tourist attractions are Basilica of Lady of Doors, Antharpali Waterfalls, Guruvar Shri Krishna Temple, Vatkan Kumunathan Temple, Shatkan Tarampuran Palace. Now you might be thinking, what is the best time to visit Thrissur? Well, the best time to visit Thrissur is in winter. Because of its cool climate, it is pleasant and enjoyable and many of the tourists enjoy it at that time.
Kollam. Kollam is a city in the state of Kerala on Indian Marble Coast. It is known as a trade hub and for its beaches like lively Kollam. Kollam famous for port of international spice trade in Asian India. Jathaya Earth Center, Pallavi Falls, Sastamkota Lake, Kollam Beach, Sri Mahaganpati Temple. Various tourist attraction place in Kollam. November and December is the best time to visit Kollam. Kollam is by road 277 km in city. Several RCC buses which operated. Do visit Kollam in the Onam festival.
Hello, now I'm going to tell you about the Munnar. Munnar, which is located in the Kerala. It is a town in the Western Ghat, mountain range in the Kerala. It's lying around 1600 kilometers above the sea level. Munnar is the most fascinating place in the world for traveling. And Munnar is also known as the Kashmir of the South India. Now, if you want to go for the Munnar, you can go from Kochi, which is very near to it. You can even take a flight from the Urumalle Pattai airport, and you can go from the car, which is the best way to enjoy the destination. Now, Munnar is very famous for the virgin forests, savannas, rolling hills, scenic valleys, numerous streams, huge splashes of waterfalls. Sprawling tea plantation is one of the most attracting places in the Mannar. Mannar is also very famous for the Neelkaranji rare plantation found in the Kerala. Now, if you want to know about the most popular places which you can visit in the Mannar are the Muttaputti Dam, which is built on the mountains. And there is, if you are very fascinated about and very interested about going to the wildlife, to see the wildlife, you can go to Iruvikullam National Park, which is very famous for the Neelkaranji. Thank you.
Tripunithura is a prominent historical and residential region in the city of Kochi in Kerala, India. Located about 8 km from the city center, Tripunithura was the capital of erstwhile Kingdom of Cochin. The descendants of the Cochin royal family still lives here. By road, it is only 10 kilometers away from the city center. Atachamyam is the biggest tourist attraction of this city. Atachamyam is celebrated on the Atham Day at the historical town of Tripunithura near Cochin. It is celebration of a legendary victory of the Raja of Cochin. The Hill Palace Museum is situated in the Tripunithura, was the palace of Maharaja of Cochin, the ruler of the Cochin. And the best time to visit Tripunithura is August to September. Thank you.
I end my trip. Not because I didn't find more places to visit, but because I ran out of money. Apart from all the places mentioned, I would like to visit more places in my next trip of God's own country. I hope I will visit this peaceful land in India again. Thank you very much.